Hello guys. So in this video we will see the select query using where clause. So we saw in previous video how this select query statement works, right? So in that select, if you were to add some condition, so to add some condition we will be using where clause. So we will see that example in this particular videos. So the syntax will be same. So I'll say select, for the first time I'll say star, and then I'm going to say from customers. Okay, so it is going to get all the records from the customer. Now say for example I want to print based on some condition, so let us take condition example. Okay, let us take Mexico country. So I want to display all the records where country is Mexico, so I want only for Mexico I want the records. So for to add that condition we will be using something known as where. So we'll be using where clause. Then I'll say where, then I'll say country, where country is, I'll say Mexico. So here now if I run this, so you see it displays only the records where country is Mexico, right? So to add condition you can use this where clause. So here even I can say where, a customer ID, I can say where customer ID is some number, customer ID I can say is equal to 10. So it is going to display me the only record where customer ID is 10. So if I say display me customer, select all records from customer where customer ID is equals to 100. So I think there is no 100 records. I think there is only hardly some 50 records. Okay, yeah. So 60 is available. So you can see to add some condition. So to display or to get the data or records based on some condition, you can use where clause.